Hello and welcome back to Buckeye Bloomstead. And our video today is about Seeds of Survival, Unveiling the Secrets of the Svalbard Global Seed Vault. Today we're taking a slight detour from our usual backyard adventures to explore a topic that's fascinating and incredibly important to the future of global agriculture and food security. Nestled deep in the Arctic, far from the cozy corners of our homesteads, lies a remarkable testament to human foresight and cooperation, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault. Often dubbed the Doomsday Vault, this facility is the ultimate backup for the world's crops, safeguarding the seeds that feed the planet. As gardeners and stewards of our own little patches of earth, we understand the importance of seeds. They're not just the beginning of our next harvest. They're the very essence of life and continuity. Today's episode is a bit special and serves as a prelude to an exciting topic we're covering soon: harvesting your own seeds. Before we dive into the art of seed saving at home, let's take a journey to the Svalbard Global Seed Vault. Located far in the Arctic, this Doomsday Vault is a global effort to safeguard the seeds that feed the world. It's a story that underscores the vital role of seeds in our survival and future. Understanding the global efforts in seed preservation helps us appreciate the significance of what we do in our gardens. This video is loaded with fascinating information about the importance of saving seeds, setting the stage for our upcoming guide on harvesting your own seeds. So as we explore the icy corridors of the Svalbard Seed Vault, remember that each seed tells a story of resilience and hope, much like the seeds in your own backyard. This knowledge will give you a deeper insight into why saving your seeds is a crucial practice. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when our Seed Saver video goes live. You won't want to miss these practical tips and inspiring ideas that connect our personal gardening experiences with a global movement. Until then, let's uncover the secrets of the Svalbard Seed Vault together. The Svalbard Seed Vault represents this on a global scale, protecting a vast array of plant diversity against potential future crises. In today's special episode, we'll journey together to this icy fortress. We'll uncover why it was built, what secrets it holds, and why. Even as small-scale gardeners and homesteaders, its existence matters to us. It's a story of resilience, hope, and the enduring power of seeds. So whether you're tending to your vegetable garden, canning your harvest, or embarking on your next DIY project, join us as we explore the remarkable world of the Svalbard Global Seed Vault. Let's discover together how this monumental effort relates to our own practices of seed saving and sustainability right here at Buckeye Bloomstead. Unearthing the secrets of the Svalbard Seed Vault. In the icy embrace of the Arctic, far beyond the northern realms of human civilization, lies a modern marvel, a testament to human foresight and unity. Welcome to Seeds of Survival, Unveiling the Secrets of the Svalbard Global Seed Vault, a journey into the heart of one of the world's most crucial and fascinating scientific endeavors. The genesis of the vault. Our story begins in the early 21st century, amidst growing concerns over climate change, natural disasters, and the threat of war. As these global challenges posed unprecedented risks to food security, the idea of a doomsday vault emerged, a global initiative conceived to preserve the seeds vital for humanity's survival. The purpose and mission. The mission was clear: to create a secure and enduring sanctuary for the diversity of the world's crops. From the wheat fields of North America to the rice paddies of Asia, every seed holds the genetic blueprint for adaptation and survival. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault stands as a global backup, an insurance policy against the loss of these essential resources. The fears of scientists. The impetus for this monumental project was born out of a fear shared by scientists and agriculturists worldwide. The fear of losing the precious genetic diversity of our crops, which could lead to catastrophic food shortages and hinder our ability to adapt to changing climates and diseases. Design and construction of the vault. Designing the vault was a feat of engineering and environmental planning. Buried deep within a sandstone mountain, the vault was engineered to withstand natural and man-made disasters. Its construction, a tale of innovation, was as much about preserving the past as it was about securing the future. The vault's treasures. As we venture inside the vault, we encounter a treasure trove of biodiversity. Over 1 million seed samples, each meticulously cataloged and preserved. These seeds from every corner of the globe represent over 13,000 years of agricultural history and are the key to future food security. Why Svalbard? The choice of Svalbard was strategic. Its remote location and permafrost conditions create a natural freezer, essential for long-term preservation. The political stability of Norway and the absence of tectonic activity in the region further cemented Svalbard's status as the ideal location for this global undertaking. Day-to-day operations and challenges. Running the vault is a complex task. From managing the constant influx of new seed samples to ensuring the optimal conditions for their preservation, The dedicated team behind the vault works tirelessly. They face unique challenges, from climate control to safeguarding against potential threats. Global cooperation and access. The vault isn't just a Norwegian initiative, but a global one. Countries from around the world contribute to its collection, each deposit a gesture of trust and cooperation. The rules governing access to the seeds are strict, ensuring that withdrawals are made only in dire circumstances like the loss of seeds due to a regional conflict or natural disaster. The Vault in Action Case Studies. The Vault has already proven its worth. We'll explore instances where seeds were withdrawn and then successfully regenerated, like the case of the Syrian civil war, where vital crop seeds were lost. The Vault served as a lifeline, providing replacements that helped restore agricultural diversity in affected regions. The future of seed banking. Looking ahead, the Vault is more than a static repository. It's a dynamic resource evolving with advances in science and technology. We delve into how future technologies like CRISPR and advanced genomics could further enhance the Vault's role in global food security. I bet many of you asked, what is CRISPR? CRISPR, which stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats, is a groundbreaking technology in the field of genetics. It's essentially a tool used for editing genomes, allowing scientists to modify DNA sequences and gene function in precise ways. This technology is notable for its accuracy, efficiency, and relative simplicity, making it a powerful tool in genetic research and application. The relevance of CRISPR to the seed vault and agriculture can be explained in several ways. Genetic diversity and adaptation. With CRISPR, scientists could potentially enhance the genetic diversity of crops by introducing traits that allow them to adapt better to changing environmental conditions, resist pests and diseases, or improve nutritional value. This could be particularly important in the context of climate change and growing food demands. Seed improvement. CRISPR can be used to modify seeds stored in the vault to ensure their viability, resilience, and productivity when they are needed for regeneration. This could be crucial in case certain seed varieties become less adapted to the changing conditions on Earth. Conservation and restoration. In cases where certain plant species or their variants have become extinct or are on the brink of extinction, CRISPR might offer a way to restore or conserve their genetic traits. This can be vital for maintaining biodiversity. Global food security. By improving crop resilience and productivity, CRISPR could play a significant role in addressing global food security challenges, making agriculture more sustainable and efficient. We wanted to cover in more detail what CRISPR was because it is an important component to the success of the Seed Vault. CRISPR and other future technologies highlights how the Svalbard Global Seed Vault is not just a passive storage facility, but a dynamic resource that can benefit from and contribute to cutting-edge scientific advancements. This perspective underscores the Vault's ongoing relevance and potential in addressing future agricultural challenges. Environmental and political challenges. Footage of environmental changes in the Arctic, discussions on global politics. Despite its remote location, the Vault is not immune to environmental and political changes. We are going to now examine the challenges it faces, from the thawing permafrost due to global warming to navigating the complexities of international diplomacy in an ever-changing world. Public awareness and education. Educational programs, public outreach initiatives. Narration. The Vault is also a beacon for public awareness and education about global food security and biodiversity. We spotlight various initiatives aimed at engaging the public and fostering a deeper understanding of the Vault's significance. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault stands as a symbol of hope, a testament to our collective commitment to safeguarding the future of our planet's food sources. It's a story of unity, resilience, and the enduring power of human ingenuity. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the ends of the earth, where the seeds of survival are kept for future generations. Together, we continue to sow the seeds of knowledge and preservation. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you know when the second video about seed saving at home is up. See you next time on Buckeye Bloomstead, Seeds of Survival, Unveiling the Secrets of the Svalbard Global Seed Vault.